Hi there, everybody. Starting a new little series here on asparagus. This isn't asparagus. However, it's one of my fun little side projects. Plants are my soulmates. I got some moss growing in here. It's so pretty and so soft, and it's green, and I like it. And hopefully it'll last all summer like it did last summer, and it'll keep doing its thing. I like moss. It's fun. Anyway, here are the asparagus seeds growing. Some of them look like that. Others look like little tiny baby asparagus. So I'm not sure what the heck's going on. I am sure that those seeds came from, or those plants with the 2 leaves came from the asparagus packet. Absolutely positive. However, there's 2 different kinds of sprouts coming up. We got those wonderful little things that look like little baby asparaguses, and we got the guys that have 2 leaves. One way or another, they'll all get planted in a bed. Probably the one that's right outside this window here. Outside, and I will cultivate them for the next 4 years until I can actually eat one. Yeah, so yeah, these are the asparagus sprouts at their smallest. I still can't get over this guy. He looks just like a little tiny baby asparagus. I want to pick it and see if it tastes good. I think there's another one back there that's like that. See that guy? Yeah, kinda. There he is. Anyway, there's some like that, and then there's some like with 2 leaves. I don't know. I've got a few more over here. Let's take a look. These guys right here. So I know they're the right seeds because these ones were planted a few weeks after the other ones, because the ones over there weren't growing. Probably didn't too early, who knows. But anyway, over here I don't see any of the stalks that actually look like asparagus yet, but I got a lot of the ones that have 2 leaves, so I'm assuming that those are valid asparagus. If anyone can tell me different, please do so. Not going to make a big long thing out of this introduction to asparagus growing, but yeah, that's about what I got going on right now with them guys. If you have any advice or other comments about how I should treat the asparagus, just let me know. I'm always willing to learn, grow, do better, and all that. So thank you for watching my little asparagus video, and have a wonderful day.